A very good morning to all my dear students. Now today we will learn how to construct a parallelogram when when two sides and one angle is given. Children, we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. The name of the parallelogram is GRAM. Okay. So the general figure for parallelogram is like this. First of all, we'll draw the rough sketch, children. Okay, the name of the parallelogram is GRAM. Okay, now GR is given as 5 centimeter. Okay, which is equal to AM. This is also 5 centimeter. RA and MG is equal to 6.2 centimeter. These two are 6.2 centimeter. Okay, and angle R is equal to 85 degree. These all 5 measurements are given. Here 2 measurements, here 2 measurements, as opposite side of a parallelogram is equal. Okay, and one angle is given. So first of all, we will construct a line segment GR is equal to 5 centimeter. We'll start from 0. We'll move till 5. Construct a line segment GR is equal to 5 centimeter. Secondly, I said always angle. Okay. Now angle R is given as 85 degrees. So we have to place the protector here. This center of this small d on this line on line. Okay. Now we have to mark 85 degree. 85 degree, which reading we have to follow when we are keeping the protector on the right side? We have to follow the reading which is up. So 85 degree we have to mark, and then we have to draw a ray, children. Okay. So we have to draw a ray RX making an angle 85 degree. Now what is the side here given? It is 6.2 centimeter. Okay. RA or AR is equal to 6.2 centimeter. So with R as center and radius 6.2. 6.2 means how you have to do? From 0 you have to open the arm till 0.2. Okay. With R as center and radius 6.2, cut an arc at A. Now we got 3 vertex, children. Okay. X we can write here. Okay. So we got 3 point GRA we got. Now we want the 4th point. Now to get the 4th point, what we have to do? Here with G as center and radius 6.2, draw an arc. With A as center, radius 5 centimeter, cut the previous arc. Name the intersection as M. Join AM and GM. The required parallelogram GR is formed. Right, children? Now GM is how much? 6.2. We cannot just simply use a scale to draw the line. In construction, you have to use compass, children. Okay? 0, you have to open it till 6.2 small lines. Okay? With G as center and radius 6.2, draw an arc. Okay, children? Then with A as center and radius 5 centimeter, take the measurement properly on the scale. With A as center, radius 5 centimeter, cut the previous arc. Okay, children? Name the intersection as M. Okay? Now join GM and AM. Join GM and AM. The required parallelogram is formed. So what are the steps of construction, children? Come on. Steps of construction. Steps of constructions. First one, what did we do? Draw G, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment GR is equal to 5 centimeter. Then what we have to do? Draw a ray RX making an angle 85 degree. Then what did we do? Cut an arc with RS center and radius 6.2 centimeter. Cut an arc at A. Okay. Now with GS center and radius 6.2 centimeter, draw an arc. Fifth one, with AS center and radius 5 centimeter, cut the previous arc. Okay, name the intersection as M. Join AM and GM. The required parallelogram GRAM is formed. Okay, children, watch the video carefully and do the construction neatly, children. Okay, next we are going to just construct this rectangle. Then you have to write the steps of construction. Right now, construct a rectangle FLAG. What is given? Rectangle FLAG. Okay, with side FL is 6 centimeter and LA is 4.2 centimeter. Here only two sides are given, but according to the property of rectangle, if two sides are given, opposite side will be equal. This is 6, so this one will be 6 centimeter. This is 4.2 centimeter, so this one will also be 4.2 centimeter. And what else? What is the main thing you have learnt here? Here is all the angles will be right angle. All the angles will be right angles. So now what we will do now, children? Now first of all, we will draw a line segment. FL is equal to 6 centimeter. From 0 to 6 you have to draw a line segment. FL is equal to 6 centimeter. Then what we have to do? Secondly, always angle. Now 90 degree means you all know. Now the angles are always right angle, that is 90 degree. 90 degree will be just a straight line. Without protector also we can easily draw a right angle. One line straight will give you right angle. Okay, draw a ray FX making an angle 90 degree. Now what is the length of the breadth of the rectangle? It is 4.2 centimeter, right? So on the scale we will insert the pin point on 0 and we'll open the arm up till 4.2. 4 and 2 small points. Insert it, mark it. So it will be what? This will be F and this will be G. Okay. Now to find A, what we have to do? With LS center and radius, same radius 4.2, draw an arc. It should not move, children. Put it properly. Draw an arc with GS center, radius 6 centimeter. Cut the previous arc. Cut the previous arc. Name the intersection as FLA. Join AL and GA. The required rectangle is formed. This is how much? 4.2 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This is also 4.2 centimeter. Okay, children. So this all for today. See you tomorrow for the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.